Talk about a deep dive today. We took a closer look at the Copper Shores Bridges Out of Poverty program with Michael, the director and instructor of the class. We were able to take a few of our partners and staff from I3 Think Down, and so we got to explore some of the economic and socio-environmental impacts of poverty and what it's like in today's current landscape. And TV6 did a little clip of this, so take a look.
Today. The workshop was an introduction to the program's Getting Ahead class. The class informs community members and organizations about things like how to increase incomes, increased awareness of available medical and financial services, and self-sufficiency advice. The program is expanding the class into the Baraga and Lance areas this fall. It wants community members to sign up.
Hopefully by the end of the workshop, people have an understanding of, number one, that there's a tremendous amount of poverty and people that are struggling, and number two, as a community, we can become more empathetic and provide ways of helping people get a hand up, not a handout.
If you want to take the class, you can apply at the Copper Shores Bridges website.